everybody. How y'all doing? Hope everybody out there is doing well and been highly blessed here recently. So we're going to finally pick up on this video series I've been doing with the YSF Reflector in Dockers. Tonight I'm going to work a little bit on getting a Docker Compose set up so that hopefully we can get this up and running quicker and be able to multi-scale and multi-home as well. So without too much further ado, I'm going to switch over to the terminal here. And we're going to get cracking on editing all this out. So, let's see. As you can see here, I am in the directory in my Git repo. I'm working on the branch Docker Compose here, and I'm going to be start editing out our Docker Compose file. Let's see. So as you can see, Docker Compose is just a YAML file that is just used to set up some basic configurations for how to deploy Docker. And it's really useful when you're doing multi-container stuff. I'm going to start this one out simple. It's just going to start the first YSF Reflector. My ultimate end goal is to have a Docker Compose because I actually administer 2 different reflectors, and I want to use Docker Compose to have both reflectors, each in its own container, as well as a container that runs and serves the web pages. And I'll have 2 web pages one for each reflector, just so that I can multi-home on the same server. That's my end goal. Starting small. This is where I am. All right. So we start out. The first thing we're going to start out with is declaring the version number. In this, we are going to use version 3. Then we will start out by naming our services. Why is there a tab there? Services. We're going to list out as an application the first first Docker image that we're going to use. So we're going to declare that. See, I'm actually going to cheat, and I'm going to copy that right quick. That didn't work. Latest. Make sure that's the right tag and that I spelled it correctly. Yes. All right. And to be fair, I do have some notes off camera that you're not seeing to remind me how to do this because it has been a bit. Container, and this is where we'll name our container. So, radio. That is some really irritating background noise. Sorry about that. We're going to declare a restart as always, so that way when it's running, we can the server that's running it will always restart the reflector should it reboot, which is nice because since this will be cloud hosted, if they do maintenance, I don't have to worry about don't have to worry about it. It'll either it'll restart when they do if the service provider restarts the server or anything, I just don't have to think about it. And then we'll declare our ports. I got to make that plural or it doesn't work. And that should actually be enough to get it up and going, theoretically. Do need to, you know what, let's just try it. Let's see. Oop, got to escape, right, and quit. Let's do, make sure I don't have anything with the same name. Nope, 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 no, nope. None of them have the same name. Okay, good. So now I should just be able to do Docker up, Docker compose up, no configuration. Let's see. I gotta run the help here because I don't see Docker compose up, create and start service containers. Do I have to do a build first? Oh yeah. I can't even type today. Docker compose build. H. Yeah, because the YAML is there, the Docker compose. No configuration file. Well, let's see. This is so let's see. I think I might need to think since I spelt out YAML, that might be it because all the documentation just shows it shorthand. So let's see. Docker compose build. Validating service app ports must be a list. But it is a list. So let's see. Edit compose.yml. Oh, that didn't. What? Ah, okay. There's got to be a space there. Container name. Yeah. Let's try that again. Additional property container name is not allowed. Oh, well, because apparently I cannot spell. Now we build Docker compose up. Created. Oh, so it's pulling everything. Python can't open. Control C stopping. Oh, I gotta do the. You have to do container up. TAC D to open it as a daemon, like you would do a Docker run. So that it'll do the thing in the background. 4210. Yep. Radio hobo. Docker. Exec. Tech IT. Roaming hobo. Ben. Bash. Romeo, Hobo. So tail, log, HTML. All right. So it's starting YSF Reflector, load from file, home digid. So 6 allowed. Okay. So it looks like it actually started. So that is good. All right, so it looks like it is running. We are seeing outputs in the tail log here. We did load from the deny.db. We did start it on the right ports. All that's good. Did let it run for a minute, and it's still scrolling the logs. So that's what I expect to see. So I think with that, let's go ahead and make get our Git repo up to date here. Make myself a little note here so that I remember what was going on and why I did all those things. And then just go ahead and do a push real quick. Update Git labs. All good. All right. All right, and from here, I think to really do any justice testing and to prove that it's working, I'm going to have to actually let this run on a server for a bit so that I can actually connect a radio to it as proof of concept. So I think I will do that in another video. I do want to get a video back out to just to show everybody that's actually following this, if there is anybody, that I'm still working on it. Life did get in the way. It's been over a month since I posted a video, but I've had some work stuff come up, had a couple family vacations and all that fun stuff. So, but now that everything's good and settled back down, try and get back on schedule. So this will be a short one. I got the Docker Compose file built. I'll probably go ahead and record throwing it up on a server, and I'm probably gonna let it run over the weekend, so that all the host files for radios will update, and then we'll take some footage early next week of it actually working, and I'll assemble all that together, get that out next week. So yeah, I think that's my plan going forward. I'm glad I got where I got. I know it doesn't seem like much, but actually took me a bit to get here. So let's roll with what we got, and we'll just keep improving it. Thank y'all so much for watching. I hope that y'all have enjoyed this. Please leave a comment down below if you think I missed anything or anything I need to address. Don't forget to hit that thumbs up button and hit subscribe if you like what I'm doing. Let me know. I'll put a little more emphasis on recording videos. Thank you to everybody. God bless. Have a good night.